Hey, this is Dale from Shelby. I'm down here at the Broad River Trail Bridge, whatever you call it. But this, got washed away a couple years ago. They had to rebuild it. Well, after Helene come, the hurricane, guess what? It got washed away again. You see all the debris on the walkway. They raised this thing up a whole lot higher. And it washed away again. You can see it's gone. I mean, I backed it all the way up to here. I had it this high. And you can see it over there. Washed it right back down in Broad River again. I was wondering if we got gone or not. I seen something on Facebook, so I figured I'd come out here and do a video. I'll put some pictures at the end of it. Last time it washed away on this side over here. But this time it's on that side. I was wondering if I rebuild it again. I don't know. That's twice. There's some rocks there. Get it back down. You can see right here, that's the support cables that actually went up through there. But right now, they're going around through here. If you look at the end of them, that's one of the old supports from the first bridges here. Look at the cable. Snap that cable. Here's the other one. And this is a look from down here. But this is the new pedestrian bridge in Broad River. Same fate the last one had. This is Dale from Shelby. I'll check y'all later.